As we stand before this ancient rock, take note of its distinct shape. It closely resembles a frog. Facing directly south at 180 degrees or the 6 o'clock position, this natural formation may not be just a coincidence. In many ancient traditions, the frog is a symbol of transformation, fertility, and connection to water and the spirit world. Its position, facing south, is significant. South is often considered the direction of warmth, growth, and destiny. In this area, other symbols have also been observed, the bird and the pyramid. Habang nakatayo tayo sa harap ng sinaunang batong ito, mapapansin ang kakaibang hugis nito. Tila ito ay isang palaka. Nakaharap ito patungong timog sa direksyong 180 degrees o posisyong alas 6, 6 o'clock. Maaring hindi ito isang karaniwang anyo lamang. Sa maraming sinaunang tradisyon, ang palaka ay simbolo ng pagbabago, kasaganahan at koneksyon sa tubig at espiritual na mundo. Ang pagkakaharap nito sa timog ay may kahulugan.